So, today we're gonna play Fortnite. Well, like a couple times we have, but this time I'm just wondering, why is the lights on? The party bus. It most likely is. Why is there not lights there? But there is lights there and there. Makes no sense, but okay. Okay, there we go. I don't know what we're doing, but okay. I guess we're doing this now.
Something happened.
Oh.
I think something happened to both of our games.
Well, not for me, I mean, I was just...
I know something happened to your game.
No, I was waiting, I was just waiting for you.
I know something happened to your game, because, I glitch checked it to mine, and I know what happened to yours, or we would have been talking already, because I would have been talking to you.
Yeah. Well, yeah. I started the video earlier, and I was talking about how the battle bus is also a party bus, and how it's weird how, like, the front is just plain black, but the rest of it has colored lights. It makes...
Fortnite has lots of questions that are not answered, so...
Yeah. And also, why am I Jesus? Am I the chosen one to walk on water? I think so.
Okay.
Wow, I found the second best weapon in the game.
What?
A green pistol.
What's the first?
A gray pistol. See, it's like, oh my gosh, it's the best weapon in the game. Oh my god. I better use this to defend my... Yeah, I was watching this video. It was like a try not to laugh. And it was a Fortnite, and there were bananas laying on the ground, and they were eating them. And then he looked up, and there was a peely there.
What's a try not to laugh?
I know. That's what I said. I said it was a try not to laugh.
I know, what is it? I never seen a try not to laugh.
Oh, it's, it's where people, well, someone makes like, well, they don't make the clips, but they put a bunch of clips together, a bunch of funny clips together, and they post it on YouTube. And when people watch it, they try not to laugh.
Yeah, I never seen a try not to laugh before. I might look one up.
Alright. Yeah, I've seen a couple funny ones, like... Yeah.
Okay. So try not to laugh, right?
Yeah, try not to laugh.
Is it like one video, or is there a lot that people post?
There was a lot that people post. A lot of people post them. So to try not to laugh plain if you want it to be plain, or... Yeet.
Don't finish him. Don't finish him.
Right. Down. Dang it. Just gonna... Oh, dang it. Well, that was just like... kind of, oh my gosh, what the heck is wrong? Yeah, I made the cobalt skin the cobalt pack my skin. Come on. Yes.
GG's this default.
Yeah.
This default is trying to clutch me.
Wait, have you seen the new rocket launcher yet?
Yes.
I haven't yet.
It's the worst gun in the game. It's
Okay.
way too OP.
Okay.
It just like comes right back and kills you. It's like if you miss, it pretty much just aimbot.
Okay.
It does 70 damage, but spray like 3, they're pretty much dead.
So basically, it's something. Oh my gosh. So it's basically something that you basically want to pick up every game. Alright. So like basically if you miss with one of those things, like if you miss completely, then just goes like eat and goes back. Oh yeah, I'm actually gonna start doing vlogs, cause I'm going to a place. I'll tell you. I'll say it in the vlog. It says. What did it say? Game's back like that again. Oh my gosh. Oh. Alright. Excuse me. Are you seeing this?
What?
For me, like, whenever I was like skydiving, it was like. It's also low graphics for you, right? Oh, I can't even get in here. So yeah, you're lucky. I just have to pickaxe everyone.
Bro,
I just have to.
There was 2 guys shooting me. Come here. Get over here.
I'm coming. Oh my gosh. I hate you. I hate that person. Not you. You're good, but like, I hate that person.
I'm watching it. Try not to laugh.
Alright. Yeah, warning. Most of them are really funny. There's this one clip that's really popular. It's like seals bouncing around, and they like edit them into various places. Like they made them giant and put them in a city. That is one really popular one. But there's also a lot more. What? Okay, it's not just my internet. I don't have bad internet. Alright, so yeah, that's the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because yeah, you won't want to miss my daily vlogs. Well, not really daily, but my vlogs at the end of the month. Because I will be bringing my vlogging device. So yeah, bye.